floor plan, very simple, 1 bedroom, studio, whatever. We are asked to calculate some of the heat loss for that. I think within 45 minutes shouldn't be that of a big deal since it's only 1 story. I know all the information is already been given. You don't have to do any kind of measurement. So from what I've got from this information, I'm gonna find delta T, which a few people got wrong, actually I don't understand why, which is inside times outside. T inside minus T outside. That is 75 minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 65 degrees. We got that. So that's good. So what is the first question asking? What is the bedroom infiltration? Here you go. What is the bedroom infiltration? So what is the infiltration equation? It's over there. Q infiltration equals volume times infiltration rate times delta T. So what is volume? I was surprised to see that many did not were not able to calculate volume. So volume is 3 dimension. So volume is length. We're talking about bedroom. So 13 is going to be 14 times 13 times what is the height? 9 feet. If you read, it's here. 9 feet. That's the volume. What is the infiltration rate? It's given in the question.
1.012.
Yeah, in the question I gave you infiltration rate of N is 0.012. If it's not giving, where are you gonna find that from? Over the book, page 73. So we get the volume times 0.123 times what is delta T? 65. So the other thing is, please double check your numbers. I recommend you use a regular calculator. The phone calculator sometimes just doesn't function very well, or you kill the screen and you hit something else and you miss. It's very sensitive. And with regular calculator, you can go back and check your calculation. So I will do the volume first. 13 times 14 times 9. I got 1,638 foot cube. Right, Lance? It's not 182. So volume is 3 dimension. You're gonna do a lot of volume. Please, this is very basic. Volume and area. Area is 2 dimensions. Volume is 3 dimensions. Times 0.012 times 65. And I got 1277.64 BTU per hour. That's for the first question, infiltration. Second question is asking for what is the floor total area? Again, area, you multiply with width times height. Perimeter is you're going to go over the length around the premises. So this is, you can add this length, width, that's perimeter. Area, you multiply length times width. Some people just did this room by itself, this room and the walk-in closet, and added together. But in doing so, you neglected the hallway and the bathroom. So just looking at it, since this very rectangular area, easy to calculate, I'm gonna go with this length, which is 23, times this length, which is 13 times 14. So if you notice, for this row is 13 times 23, right? So this is going to be a 23 because it's bigger, which means 13 is the width. So that's 13, that's 14. So total length times total equals 23 foot times 13 plus 14, which should give me 621 foot square. Any question how this came about? Yeah.
So you say when you did 23, was that the width?
Yeah, because if you look at this, which one, just visually, which one is longer? Yeah, this one. So it's the 23, which means 13 is this size.
Okay, so how did you get 13 plus 14?
13 is this width, and what about this one? It's gonna be the 14. So the 14 came from here, because this is 13. Since Eric was saying, usually they give you the one number versus the other. But in this case, just by visually looking at it, this one is longer. And even if you look here, this length is longer than the other one. So probably this is the 14, and this is the 13.
Okay.
Got that? Anthony, Jason, write this down. Okay, so this is question 2. Question 3, very easy. What is the transmission heat loss from the bedroom walls and windows only? So, bedroom walls and windows. So, it's only one bedroom. So, we'll do first walls, Q equals area times U times delta T. Good? So, what is the wall? First wall. Each one of them. We're gonna do 14 times what? Height, which is 9 feet. Ceiling. Width. Okay, that's one of them. Plus 13 times 9. Minus the window, right?
Okay.
Which is 35?
Yeah.
That should give me the area for the wall. So I get 2, 0, 8. Double check that. Yeah, 208 foot square. So I got the area of the wall, so now it's easier to calculate the wall transmission. Area 208 times, what is the U factor? 0.35 times 65. What do we get? 4,732 BTU hour. Okay, that's from the wall. Okay, what about the window? What is there in the window? 35. 6.5. Same, delta T. $1,000. $478.75. So it's the window, it's the wall. You can leave it as is, or you can add them together. Because in real life, you're gonna add this together. Q wall plus Q.
And the 35 of that wall cushion, that's the area of the ceiling. Or the window.
$6,201.75. Good?
You marked it wrong for windows, and I got that answer.
Huh?
You marked it wrong for windows on the quiz, and I got that answer.
No, no worry. If there's anything wrong, we can discuss after the class.
Alright.
Don't panic. No need to panic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's question 3. Question 4, what is the heat loss from the bedroom ceiling? Are we done with this part?
Yes, we are.
So heat loss. Heat loss from the ceiling, is that infiltration or transmission?
You lost from the ceiling is
Transmission, because there are no windows in the ceiling. So it's going to be Q equals area times U times delta T. What is the area of the ceiling? 50 times 14. Times, what is the U factor? 0.5. What do I get?
5915.
Good? Questions? A lot of people confuse areas with the volume, which is, I don't know why. Some people get the U factor and transfer that to R. I don't know why, the equation is over there. So, I think it's very straightforward anyway. Last question is very nice and practical because it kind of shows you how much you can cut down on the heat loss if you add insulation. So if we add R16 to this ceiling, what would happen? So if we add R16 means an insulation with value, R value of 16. So I will find what is the total resistance now. So now I have a ceiling, this is my ceiling, and I added some foam insulation. This is the heat coming up. I want to find out what is the R value for the wall, so I can add the two R's together. So R here is equal 1 over U equals 1 over 0.5, which equals 2. You put that in the calculator, find 2. So now here I have R2. What is my total resistance now?
8.
Fantastic. So now I want to go to my equation. Q will equal area, not going to change, times the factor here, which is U, times delta T. Area is 13 times 14. What is that, 182?
Yeah.
182. U is 1 over 18 times 65. And it should be something very small compared to the other one. And I get 591.5 BTU per hour. Any questions?
How much was each answer worth?
Say again?
How much was each answer worth?
What can I discuss that in class? I think it's 5 questions, each question is 2 points. So, seems what like.
So if we had
Okay,
the
hold on.
right type of